Welcome in the part 2 video of baby romper. As you can see, we are ready with the front and the back cutting of the baby romper. Now we will start our neckline and armhole finishing. For finishing armhole and neckline, we will take our draft. From line FJ, we will fold 3 to 4 cm downwards and then cut the draft. We will cut the fabric same like we have cut for our front and back. You can see this is front, and same way we will cut for the back with the same inseam allowances. Now we will open our lining material and place on the main fabric. We will be placing right facing right. Don't forget to match both the fabrics properly with each other. Now we will start the stitching. We will start from the one side of the armhole, go on the shoulder, neckline, again shoulder, and end it with the other side of the armhole. Like front, we have to do it for the back side also. Like previously said, our stitching will start from one side of the armhole and end on the other side of the armhole. Start stitching on the seam allowances that you have marked. Go slow on the curves of the armhole and the neckline. After stitching, you have to give notches to the shoulders, armhole and neckline throughout the curves. So start giving notches from one side. Now you can pull out the right side of the garment. Follow same procedure for the back side. After pulling out the right side of the fabric, make sure you iron it well to set the roundness of the neck and armhole before edge machining. Do edge machining so that our curves at the shoulder, arms and armhole and the neckline sets well. We have finished with our front and back neckline and armhole. Now we will finish the lining bottom. You can do machining or even you can do hemming. For belt, we have taken 9 cm of height and 60 cm of length. Fold the belt height wise and stitch with 0.5 seam allowances on all the three sides, just leaving a small opening in the middle. At one end I am stitching round, as this is my end of the belt, and the other side will be attached to the buckle. You can see the middle opening here. Now we will turn inside out with the help of a stick or a pencil. Don't forget to give notches on the round side of the belt. Now you can see why we left opening in the middle of the belt, so that our fabric will come out from the opening. Straighten your fabric, remove all the extra fabric, and don't forget to iron it. I have ironed it, and now I will be giving lines for the design purpose. Now our belt is ready. Now we will make loops for our belt. I have taken 4.5 cm in width and 26 cm in length. So I will be making one long strip and then later cut into 4 equal parts. That will make our 4 loops of 6.5 cm each. So now our 4 loops are ready. Mark the points for the attachment of loops. Make sure 2 will be in the front and 2 will be on the back. Now we will attach our sides. So place right facing right, match the sides, and start stitching using seam allowances. After stitching sides, we will stitch our inner leg with 1 cm seam allowance. Now we will finish our bottom. For this we will fold the fabric like this and then machine stitch over the edges. Make sure you are stitching single layer, otherwise your other back fabric will get stitched. So be careful. Don't forget to cut extra threads. Now our main stitching of the garment is finished. Now we will add buttons at the front and make an eye for button on the back flap. Add buckle to your belt. Finally, our baby romper is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep motivating Craft Khazana.